Now we'll discuss about atoms with two or more non-equivalent electron. So what does the word equivalent mean? Same, and principal quantum number and orbital quantum number should be same for equivalent electrons. So जो कार्बन की ग्राउंड स्टेट है उसमें जो दो इलेक्ट्रॉन है 2p वाले वो क्या होंगे? सेम होंगे, इनके लिए एन और एल सेम है। अब जर्मेनियम के स्टेट चेक करते हैं। क्या होती है जर्मेनियम की? 4p2 होती है और एक सेट स्टेट के लिए 4d 1 में चला जाएगा, 4p 1 से 4p से 4d में चला जाएगा। अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या नॉन इक्वलेंट है क्योंकि एन सेम है लेकिन एल डिफरेंट है। एल यहाँ 1 है, एल यहाँ 2 है। सो एल की वैल्यू हो जाएगी ए और एस की वैल्यू हो जाएगी ए। अब देखो एल की वैल्यू कितनी हुई अपने पास? 1 2 3 और एस की हुई 0 1 1। तो कितने कॉम्बिनेशन बन सकते हैं? एल के साथ बन सकता है 1 0 और 1 1, ऐसे 2 0 2 1, ऐसे 3 0 और 3 1। सब सिंगलेट ले लेते हैं। एस इक्वल टू 0 वाले, एस इक्वल टू 0, एल इक्वल टू 1 2 3, सो जे विल बी 1 2 3। इट कैन बी रिटन 1p1 1d2 and 1f3. Similarly for l equal to 1 2 3, s will be 1 triplet state, so j equal to 0 1 2 1 2 3 and 2 3 4, p0 1 2 d1 2 3 and 3 f2 3 4. Now how we will determine the lowest energy state? So it having the greatest multiplicity जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा होगी वही क्या होगी? अपनी लोएस्ट एनर्जी स्टेट होगी। और अगर एक से ज़्यादा सेम मल्टीप्लिसिटी वाली स्टेट हो तो फिर क्या होंगे? जो एल की सबसे ज़्यादा वैल्यू है वही क्या होगी? लोएस्ट एनर्जी स्टेट। सो टू फाइंड आउट lowest energy state we have to determine the multiplicity. The greatest multiplicity will be the lowest energy state. But if two or more states having the same multiplicity, then the greatest value of L. Now check it. This is 4p and 4d singlet and triplet state. For singlet state it will be divided into 3 state: 1p1 1d2 1f3, s equal to 1 3p 3d and 3f, and 3p divided into 3 part: p01 p1 2 and p1 and p2, d1 d2 d3, f2 f3 and f4. Now which is the highest multiplicity? f3, sorry, 2s plus 1. So 2s plus 1 will be 3 3 and 3. These are the highest multiplicity. Now the greatest value of L is 3f4, so it will be lowest energy state. Now atoms with two or more equivalent optical electron. Atoms with two or more equivalent optical electron. For two equivalent electrons same NLL, the values of at least one of the remaining quantum number ML or MS must be differ to obey Pauli exclusion principle, and certain terms which are possible for two non-equivalent electrons are not allowed. Example: two non-equivalent p electrons such as electron 2p and 3p give rise to terms. So for 2p and 3p, L1 and L2 are this, S1 and S2 is this. So L will be 0 and 2 is equal to 0 1. So singlet terms will be 1s0 and 1p1 and 1d2, and triplet term will be 2s plus 1 for this 0 and 2, 0 1 and 2. Now two electrons are equivalent, say 2p2, then terms 3d 3s and 1p, 3d 3s and 1p don't exist, and only 1s 1d and 3p remains. Getting my point or not? Means for equivalent electrons n and L value will be same. So if the L value is same, then what state will be not exist? This triplet state 3d 3s and this 1p. This will not be exist, and only 1s 1d and 3p will be remains. Here because of n is different, okay, here n is 2, here n is 3, that is why it is giving different states. Now we'll discuss browse. A closed subset such as H2, P6 and D10 always forms a singlet. One is 0 because 2s plus 1 is the multiplicity. S equal to 0, so 2s plus equal to s, and only L equal to 0, so it will be s, and J will be L plus s, so only 0. So totally closed subset will always have 1 is 0. Now whenever a subshell is completely filled, the only allowed state is one in which the total angular spin momentum and total orbital angular momentum are all 0. ओके, तो जो भी सबशेल है अगर वो कम्प्लीटली फिल्ड है तो अलाउड स्टेट कौन सी होगी? एक ही होगी. कौन सी वाली होगी? जहाँ पे टोटल एंगुलर स्पिन मोमेंटम और टोटल ऑर्बिटल मोमेंटम कितना होगा? 0 होगा. The terms of the configuration n l raised to power q are the same as the configuration n raised to power r minus q. R is the maximum number of electrons, r equal to 2 into 12 plus 1. Example, here P5 and here P1. So L is same for both. Now n raised to power r, n l raised to power q, n l raised to power q. So n equal to 1. Here this is the q, here this is the q. So q equal to 5 and q equal to 1. So r will be 2 into 12 plus 1. 2 into 12 plus 1 will be 6 for both. So r minus q will be 6 minus 5, 1 electron. So the term P4 will be same as P2. The term D3 same as D2. So P5 is same as P1. Similarly, P4 is P2 and D3 is D2. From where it is coming from? Just simply calculate Q. Here Q is 5, here Q is 1. Okay, and R is equal to 2 into 12 plus 1. So 2 into 12 plus 1 for P is 6. So R minus Q. R minus Q means if P5 is given to us, then R minus Q is R is 6 and Q is 5 equal to 1, means P5 will be same as P1. Here also Q is 4 and Q is 4 and R is 6. So R minus Q will be 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So P4 P raised to the power Q equal to P raised to the power R minus Q, means P raised to the power equal to P2, same as D3 and D2. Now term of equivalent electrons, electronic configuration. देखो चेक करते हैं. S1 किसके इक्वल होगा? 2s आपके. अगर S1 वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो कौन सी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन देगा? 2s आपके देगा. 2s plus 1 मल्टीप्लिसिटी L N J. हियर देखो ये टोटली फील्ड जो क्लोज्ड शेल है वो किस देगा? 1 is 0 अभी पड़ा है. P1 P5 कैसे देंगे अपने को? ये P से P में जाएगा. 2s plus 1 करेंगे कितना आएगा? ये s कितना है? हाफ है. So 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, 2. And J equal to L plus S and L minus S. So 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. This is the condition. And P2 and P4 will be 1 is 0, 1 D2 and 3P0 and 2. Similarly, P3 will be 2P half, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 5. The term for carbon ground state is 3P0. Now, spectral transport to equivalent electrons. देखो P2 क्या है? both are equivalent electrons. N and L are same. So L1 is 1, L2 is 1, S1 is S2 is half. So what are the values for ML? ML equal to minus L2 plus L. So ML1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1. So just do it. 1 1 2 0 0 0 1 1 minus 1 plus 1 0. Similarly here, and you can create this type of formation configuration. Now you can see here what is the total element. Total element is diagonal element 2. Here total element is 2. Here is 1 and here is 0. Total element is 2 minus 2. Here total element is 1 plus 1 2. Here 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 0 and 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 will be 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2. Total element is 2 1 0. Total angular momentum is 2 1 0. Here you can see equivalent electrons are there. So N L is same, ML is also same here. So MS plus half and minus half, total is equal to, total is equal to 0. So for the diagonal element, total spin angular momentum will be 0 and orbital angular momentum will be 2 1 0. For diagonal terms 2 0 and minus 2, 2 and 0, S will be 0, singularity state 1 will be there. So L equal to 2 1 and 0. For 2 and 0, S equal to 0. So the state will be 2s plus 1 1. Here 2s plus 1 1, singularity state, and 2 D L plus S 2 J. Here also 2s plus 1 1 S and J equal to L plus S 0. Now this is the different state. 2s plus 1 3, L equal to P and J equal to L plus S 2 L minus S 0 1 2. So equivalent electrons N and L are same, N1 and 2 L2 same. For carbon 1s2 2s2 2p2, both 2 electrons are same. Now we are going to, this is for titanium and for titanium. Let's see what is G2. The ML is 2 1 0 2 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2. So 2 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 2 1 0 minus 1 and minus 2, because L is 2 SPT 1 2 3, sorry 0 1 2 SPT. So 2 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2. So do this simple math. Say for the diagonal element and you are having the L value is 43210. So 43210, S will be 0 1 0 1 0. So 2s plus 1 is 1, G 4, 3 F 2 3 4, 1 D 2, 3 P 0 1 2, 1 S 0. Now while failing the electrons possible lowest energy terms, we have discussed it, we will discuss again we'll discuss about this, the lowest possible energy state. In the multiplets formed from the equivalent electrons in a less than half filled subshell, the level with lowest J lies lowest normal order. Okay, so if the less than half filled subshell is less than half filled, then lowest J will be lowest energy. If the multiplet formed the equivalent electrons in a more than half filled subshells, the highest J will be lowest. So first of all, check non-equivalent 2s plus 1 value, highest 2s plus 1, lowest energy. If 2s plus 1 are same, then highest L value will be the lowest energy. Now for equivalent electron, if shell is half filled, then lowest J. If shell is more than half filled, then highest J. Now let's check atoms. 1h1 configuration is 1s1, spectral terms 2s half. For helium 1h2, spectral terms 1s0. For lithium 2s1, so 2s half again, s1 2s half 2s half, normal doublet and compound doublet. Now for beryllium 2s2, so 2s2 1s0. Boron 2p1, so 2p1 is 2p1 by 2, 2p3 by 2. And now how we calculate the non-state terms? 2s plus 1, so multiplicity is same. So highest j value, highest l value, l is same for both. Now check, it is the less than half filled, less than half filled. Okay, so it less than half filled, lowest value of j, lowest value of j. This is the ground state term. Again check 2p2, so 2p2 is 3p0 1 by 2, 1s0 and 1d2, 2s plus 1 is highest, this, so this will be the ground state. Now nitrogen 2p3, so for 2p3, 2p1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2c by 2, 5 by 2, 4s 3 by 2, highest 2s multiplicity. Oxygen 2p4, so these are having same multiplicity. Then the check L value, L is also same for them. Then check it is less than half filled or more than half filled, more than half filled. So for more than half filled, inverted order, more than half filled, highest value of J, more than F filled, highest value of J. Okay, now for boron again 2p5, so 2p5 is 2p half, 2p3 by 2, ground state. For neon 2p6, 1s0, this is closed subshell. Sodium 3s1, again 2s half, 3s2, 1s0, chlorine 3p5, 2p half, 2p3 by 2. So this table is very important, revise it daily. 4s2, 1s0, copper 4s1, 2s half, zinc 3d10, 1s half. Now we will study about our JJ coupling, famous JJ coupling. Let's give it a shot. देखो, for P and for DI we have two subshells here. L1 equal to 1, L2 equal to 2, S1 equal to half, S2 equal to half, J1 equal to L plus S, L minus S, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, here also 3 by 2, 5 by 2. So we are having JJ coupling. So individually we calculate J, then sum of the J. So for this electron 4p, J1 is this is J2 is this. Now total J will be J1 J2. So minus J12 plus J1, 1 by 2 with 3 by 2. Total J will be minus J2 plus J, 1 by 2 to 3 by 2. Okay, फिर 1 by 2 to 5 by 2, minus J2 plus J, फिर 3 by 2 3 by 2, 3 by 2 to 5 by 2. Getting my point? So these are our capital J values. So 4p and 4d, we have 2 electrons, so it will be divided into 1 by 2 3 by 2, 1 by 2 5 by 2, 1 by 2 3 by 2, 1 by 2 5 by 2, 3 by 2 3 by 2, 3 by 2 5 by 2. Got it? Okay. Now how many energy levels it will split out? 2j plus 1 energy levels it will split out. So small 2j plus 1, small 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1, so 6 energy levels, sorry 4, 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1, 4. So it will goes to 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4. Here 2 energy levels, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, so 2. Here also 2. Now selection rules for JJ coupling. Parity change must be, parity must be changed, and you know A is equal to minus 1 raised to power L, A is equal to 0. So even parity, P is odd parity, D is even parity, and F is odd parity. Delta L1, delta L2 for 2 electrons. Now let's discuss some questions. The quantum number of the two optical electrons in a 2 valence electrons atoms are. देखो अपने को दिया है N1, L1, S1 half, N2, L2 and S2. So what are the states? 6. Here is 5, 3, SP, D, F, SP, and S1 equal to what? So energy state will be, we will discuss it later. So 5p1, 6f1 और energy state. Assuming LS coupling, हम लोग क्या करना है? LS coupling करनी है. Find possible value of energies. देखो LS coupling करनी है मीन्स क्या करना है? इंडिविजुअल L कैलकुलेट करो, इंडिविजुअल S कैलकुलेट करो और फिर दोनों को जोड़ो, है ना. LS की कपलिंग करनी है तो देखो L क्या हो जाएगा टोटल यहाँ पे 3 और 1 से 2 3 4, S क्या हो जाएगा 0 एंड 1 सिंगलेट और ट्रिपलेट. तो सिंगलेट टर्म कौन सी आएगी अपने पास 0 2 3 4 वाली, और डबलेट ट्रिपलेट टर्म्स क्या आएगी 1 2 1 3 एंड 1 4। सो 1 2 1 3 एंड 1 4 से कैसे निकालेंगे अपन, j इक्वल टू j1 माइनस j2 j1 प्लस j2, तो 2 माइनस 1 1 तो 2 प्लस 1 3, 3 माइनस 1 2 2 4, 4 माइनस 1 3 2 5। So these are having 12 terms. Okay, and assuming JJ coupling. Now let's say what is JJ coupling. For JJ coupling, what is, you calculate J1 J2 and then calculate capital J1 and J2. Okay, so this is our state. You should know the difference between LS and JJ. Okay, in LS and JJ, what is we are doing in LS, we are calculating L and then we are calculating S, and there we are summing L plus S. Okay, this we have done. We have calculated L, we have calculated S, and then we have calculated 2 L plus S. So 2 3 4 for singlet, and for triplet 1 3 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 1 2 1 3 and 1 4. In JJ coupling, what we are doing, we'll calculate small j1 small j2. So small j1 will be 3 plus 1 by 2 and 3 minus 1 by 2. Here also 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, j1 and j2. Now calculate capital J1 and capital J2. J1 plus J2 to J1 minus J2. 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2 to 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 2 1 by 2. 5 by 2 3 by 2. 7 by 2 1 by 2 and 7 by 2 3 by 2. Also give us 12 terms. Now, of the following terms, symbol of the np2 electrons configuration 1 is 0, which is the ground state. So our ground state 2s plus 1 will be, and if having the same multiplicity, then check half filled or this is the less than half filled. Less than half filled means lowest value of J. 3p0 is the ground state. Associated ground state. Magnesium in the table, we have discussed in the table. The ground state electron configuration of 20, titanium 22, 4s2, 4s2. So n equal to 4, which state is the standard respective notation is not possible, which is not possible in our configuration. So let's discuss. So here L equal to 3 is not possible. Now, in the LS coupling scheme, terms arising from two non-equivalent p electrons are two equivalent non-p electrons. We'll discuss it. Non-equivalent means n and L are not same.